Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara and today I'm going to do a full makeup using Mikyajy's products. This brand is well known in GCC countries and the quality is very high, but the prices is so affordable. So once you try it, you will love it. Today's look will be a semi-cut crease eyeshadow with nude lipstick, which I'm going to use their new collection of lipstick, which is Lush Lipsticks. And the reason I'm doing this makeup is because they challenged me to recreate this makeup look. I'm going to start with my eyeshadow, and as of base I'm going to use Blur Expert Cover Plus foundation and concealer. It's a 2-in-1 product in shades 307. It's full coverage, super matte and long lasting, and I love how it looks on face. So I'm going to just put a little bit on my eyelid to just give even tone to my eyelids. Now I'm going to blend it by tapping motion. We are not going to swipe it. Now to set the concealer, I'm going to use Mikyajy Matte Baked Powder in shade 101. It's almost finished, but still there is a little bit to use. Now I'm going to use a Glam Girl Chic Eyes palette. This is one of the must-have palettes that every girl needed. Just see the colors. Oops. Okay, I got it. The brush felt okay. It has dew brushes and the pigment is amazing. I already did for my left eye and now it's time for my right eye. So I'm going to start with a dark shade, like dark brown shade, which is this one. So I'm going to start from my brow bone and I will first press the powder, same as always, and then blend it. Now I'm going for a light brown with a orange tone, little bit of orange tone, this one. And I will go above that dark brown color. Now I'm using the dark brown for definer area, just a little bit. And then little bit of this black shade for the end of the definer. Now again I'm using the foundation to give the semi-crease cut. Now I'm using my fingertip to go for this little bit shiny beige color and the white one, because I'm gonna mix these two. First I apply the white shade with a flat brush, then I will apply the shiny shade with my fingertip. And then I use this shiny brown shade, this one, at the end of this crease cut, like this. Now I'm going to use Ultra Gloss Precision Liquid Eyeliner from 22K collection. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done with the eyeliner. Now I'm going for a foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to use the same product that I used first, and I'm going to apply it on my face and then blend it with a beauty sponge. Okay guys, as you can see, it sets perfectly on my face. Now I'm going to use it a little bit as a concealer under my eye. Now blend it. Now again, I'm going to use the bake powder to set the concealer. Now again, I'm going to continue with my eye. So I'm going to put little bit of this light brown under my eye. And then add little bit of this dark brown close to my lash line. Then I'm going to use the Color Intense eye pencil in shade 101. This is also a great intense black color that I ever had, and I'm going to use this one for my waterlines. Now I'm going to use Lash Perfection 5-in-1 mascara, which is for volume, curl, define, gloss finish, and nourish also. It has basically two heads, and one is for define and other one for the volume. So I'm going to start with a define head. And then I will switch to the volume head. Okay guys, I already add my false lashes, and now I'm going for a contour. For contour, I'm going to use ProbContour powder palette in shade 301, which is this one. It has contour, color, and highlighter. So I'm going to use all of them for my face. I'm going to start with a contour. This contour is great for times that we don't want to go for intense contour, because it gives only a natural like a bronzer to your face. So for today I don't want to go for too much contour, so I'm just going to apply a little bit to give like very light contour to my face. And now I will go for the color. And then I'm going to use the highlighter. As you can see, this palette is great for the days that we want to go for a flawless makeup, which we look more natural, and we don't want to go for the intense highlighter, contour, blush, so this is a great palette for that days. So now I'm going to do the highlighter for my nose bridge and upper lips also. And also a little bit under eyebrow, inner corner of the eye. Now for eyebrow, I'm going to use Eyebrow's grooming kit. This one already have 3 powders and 1 cream. Now I'm going to use the middle one little bit. Then mix it with a little bit dark brown. And little bit of light brown for here. Last, I'm going for lipstick, and as I said before, I'm going to choose one of the Lush Lips collection. So I finally chose shade 902. This is one of my favorite colors, and this collection is good for people who have a dry lips because it's so soft and oily and long lasting. So I'm going to use this one. So this is the final look of this recreation, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.